Same color?
Yeah, but the one is the color.
Mr. Costa. Mr. Costa. You don't want to say nothing? How are you? How are you?
How are you? I'm fine.
I'm
fine. Thank you.
Good, good, good.
There's no paint. Which paint is it?
Which paint is what?
No enough paint.
Yes, there is. I asked him. He said it's enough.
No, it's not enough. Blank.
The boot lid will be enough.
The boot lid.
It will be enough. Kendi, what did you do to this car? Huh? Tell us. What did you do to this car?
Nothing.
Nothing. It looks like you fucked it properly.
Oh yeah. True.
Huh? Say hello to your fans. Say hello to your fans. Come
I haven't
on.
got a fan.
Everybody knows you're on the forum now.
Fuck you.
Everybody knows you're on the forum. Here is our master magician painter. Roman, you're going to be on TV?
TV.
Yeah, you're going to be on TV, yeah?
Come on.
1 liter paint is enough.
1 liter?
1 liter. That's half a liter, isn't it? 1 to 1? 1 to 1? Base coat? So 1 liter, no?
1 liter.
Yeah. 1 liter you can do whole car. Not this car, but you can do a car. Isn't it, Kendi?
Yeah, it's true.
Look, this is our resident fixer. He fixes everything. He breaks everything, but he fixes everything too. Hey, Martin, you got anything you want to say to your fans? Huh? Any of your bitches that might be watching this? Because you're going to be on YouTube, you're going to be famous.
I don't think so.
No? You got nothing to say to anybody?
No.
You want to say hello to anyone?
No.
Maybe like say hello, Mum. This is Grant and Phil Mitchell from EastEnders. Looks nice, no?
Yeah.
We have to Roman, only 1 shade. 1 shade. No problem. Yeah, that's okay. Look, in the camera it looks the same. Sorry? Where's Camille? Call him. Tell him to come. Tell him to come and join the party. Get Boris.
Widać coś malować? To sygnał do malowania, nie?
Blend the door. Yeah. Does it need primer?
Ale no,
Rub it down.